Hi, this is Tech Kim, and I'm just going to share a little bit about X-ray goggles and how we use them for our fake news lesson that we're sharing. So the first thing we need to do is get to X-ray goggles. Provided a link here, and it's simply a matter of going down here and dragging this up to the bookmark bar, and now you see I have X-ray goggles here. So I just click on them, and I should see this publish, escape, and other tools over here, and when I scroll over you'll see that some pink highlights show up. So the way we did it is we used Newsela to do the remixing. So whatever page you're going to, you just hit the X-ray goggles, and then you'll be able to see changes you can make. So for instance, if you want to make a change to this text, you'll see that it's showing some HTML tags here. And what we do in the unit is talk about the very basics of HTML, that there's usually a beginning tag and an end tag that shows that has a slash in front of it. This particular tag is called the anchor tag, which means that there's a hyperlink available, so you can click on something. And then you can just make a text change here. Yikes, there are bugs in this dish. Click update, and there you go, you've made the change. You can also come down then and change other things. So we could change this image tag. And here what we need to do is we need to look for the SRC equals. So again, we're just looking for little clues in all this code that maybe we don't understand. So it's like learning pieces and parts of a new language. So for the image, we know we need to change that SRC tag. And so we can go to find an image. What was this news story about? All right, how about silver lining? And actually, I'm going to go to Google. The one thing we want to do when we're working with this activity is also to show kids how they can get usage rights correctly. So if we click on Tools in Google Images and then do one of these labeled for reuse, we'll see images that potentially don't have copyright. And I'm just going to pick a random one right now. Now the thing I've learned with X-ray goggles is if you get an image from Pixabay, even though it looks like you should be able to get it, it won't work very well. So I always avoid images from there. Now you don't want to get this version of the image or highlight this URL. You actually need to go to View Image. And this is a URL you actually need to copy. So I'm going to copy that, come back to here, and I'm going to delete everything inside the double quotes. So we don't want to get rid of the double quotes, that's part of our syntax. And there we go, I've just changed the image and clicked update. Now if we were putting this in a report or some other thing, some other student work that then is getting graded and whatever, we'd want to put a citation for where we got this image. But since we're just using this to learn the code, we're not going to worry about doing that. You can also explore other things like this over here. You can update this heading. It turns out you can update the likes, the number of likes, so that's always kind of fun by just changing this number. And all sorts of other things. Now if you actually want to publish this item, you're going to have an account. And in order to have an account with Mozilla, you need to be 13 years or older. So for this, I just create an account for myself, and then I publish the student work if we decide to do that. All right, well, good luck. I hope you enjoy this tool.